Welcome to Angeles City, Philippines. This special place, nestled in the heart of the Philippines' largest island, Luzon, offers a unique blend of history, culture, and modern energy. That blend captivates visitors from all corners of the globe. It is a city shaped by profound historical events, yet it pulses with a contemporary rhythm all its own. From the moment you arrive, you feel the gentle hum of daily life. Angeles City sits in a strategic and accessible location within the central plains of Luzon Island in the province of Pampanga. To find it on a map, you would look just north of the nation's capital, Manila. The city is situated near the prominent Clark Freeport Zone, once the largest overseas U.S. military facility, now redeveloped into a hub for business, aviation, and tourism. By car from Manila, the trip is straightforward, typically an hour or two via the North Luzon Expressway, linking the capital to the northern provinces. Religion weaves a quiet yet powerful thread through daily life in Angeles City, shaping the city's rhythms and rituals. The vast majority are Roman Catholic, a legacy of the Spanish colonial period, with Holy Rosary Parish Church a solemn landmark and chapels tucked into neighborhoods. On Sundays, families in their best attire arrive for Mass. The interior fills with worshipers. Church bells ring out across the city, calling the faithful to prayer and reflection. Faith extends into homes. Small altars, icons, rosaries, fresh flowers. On feast days, people light candles, offer prayers, and join solemn processions through the streets. While Catholicism is predominant, the city is diverse. Protestant churches, serene temples, and shops serving the Muslim community. Festivals here are explosions of color, sound, and community spirit, with the Philippine International Hot Air Balloon Fiesta in February as fantastically shaped balloons ascend at first light, painting the sky in vibrant colors. Crowds, locals, and visitors gather for the spectacle, with air shows, concerts, and irresistible food. In April, the Sisig Festival celebrates the city's iconic dish, as students and chefs compete to craft inventive, delicious plates, from classic to creative takes, with lively parades and street parties and endless tastings. Religious festivals, especially Holy Week, bring a reflective calm, and Christmas glows with lanterns and song, while small barrio fiestas strengthen neighborhood ties. Understanding the local climate is key to a pleasant trip. Angeles has a distinctly tropical pattern, two main seasons. Dry season runs November through April, long sunny stretches, with December to February pleasantly cooler at night. This is peak season, clear skies and a festive mood. Wet season is May to October. Higher humidity and frequent rain, often short, intense afternoon downpours. The southwest monsoon can bring several overcast days, and typhoons typically occur July to October. Monitor forecasts. For sightseeing and cool evenings, choose December to February. For major events, target February or April for the Sisig Festival. March to May stays mostly dry but can be hot and humid. Wet season brings fewer crowds, lower rates, and lush scenery. One appeal of Angeles is manageable costs across budgets. For short stays, expenses are light compared to many Western countries or major Asian cities. Budget rooms often run about 800 to 1,500 PHP per night, while mid-range hotels are around 2,000 to 4,000 PHP. Local meals from street stalls or carinderias, roughly 50 to 150 PH. Sit-down casual dining, about 200 to 500 PHP per person. Transport is affordable. Jeepneys cost a few pesos. Agree tricycle fares beforehand. Longer stays, lower costs, especially housing. Outside main districts, one-bedroom rent ranges 8,000 to 18,000 PHP monthly. Modern condos with amenities near Clark, around 20 to 40,000. Utilities, electricity, water, internet, add to monthly costs but are manageable. Shopping the Palenque and cooking at home stretches your budget further. As you spend time in Angeles City, you notice gentle daily rhythms. Early morning, soft light. Markets come alive with fresh vegetables and glistening fish. A melodic hum of conversation. Streets fill with engines as drivers start the day. People head to work and school in unhurried flow. Under midday sun, pace slows. Cafes and malls offer cool refuge, a moment of tranquility amid the city. Evening brings new energy. Warm streetlights and neon color the night. The aroma of food returns, with the sizzle of sisig a signature sound. Meals, a drink, a conversation, simple joys shared. Music drifts from bars and karaoke spots. A place of food and festivals, deep faith and strong family ties, grounded in history, looking to the future.